Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by redeeming the Apple gift card to your Apple ID. This is essential because Apple funds don't transfer directly to Cash App. Open the App Store or Settings, sign in, and choose Redeem Gift Card or Code. Enter the code manually or scan with your camera, and wait for confirmation. Once done, check your Apple ID balance in your account settings. Make sure the balance shows the expected dollar amount before moving on to the next phase. Now convert your Apple ID balance into spendable cash using a reputable gift card exchange or marketplace. Apple balance itself can't be cashed out directly. Once you find a buyer or platform, upload the code or follow their verification flow, confirm the fee percentage and payout method, and accept the quote. Expect identity verification steps for larger amounts. After the sale completes, have the platform send funds via ACH, PayPal, or direct deposit, methods you can move into. Finally, get the payout into Cash App by transferring from your bank or PayPal that's linked to Cash App. If the exchange sent ACH or bank deposit, confirm the deposit in your bank app, then open Cash App, tap banking, and add or verify that bank to cash in. If using PayPal, withdraw to your bank first or link PayPal to Cash App where supported. Once funds clear, they appear in Cash App. Keep transaction ID and receipts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.